If you would like to use the fade in and fade out effect in CapCut, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, in order to use that effect, you have to launch your CapCut. And then simply select a project where you would like to work on. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with my recent project. So once you have selected your project, you will see a page like this. At this section, if you see below, you will see effects just beside overlay and captions. Tap on effects, select video effects. And likewise, you will see various one, but it is very hard to find if you go and check one by one. Here is why there's a search button. Simply type in fade in effect, and then you will see fade in, which is completely free. And once you've added the fade in filter, this is how it will look like. Now, if you would like to expand it, you can also go ahead and do so, and it will last till here. Once you have added your fade in, let's go ahead and add our fade out. For that, you may go ahead and simply track the end of this video. Repeat the same process. Video effect, search for fade out this time. You will see fade out here. And just like so, this is how it will look like in the fade out effect. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.